Hola muchachos, ¿qué tal? Buenos días. Hoy es martes, el 27 de octubre y el horario para hoy, pues vamos a empezar con la pregunta, ¿qué te gusta hacer en tu tiempo libre? This is your warm-up question for this morning. What do you like to do in your free time? And indicate 3 activities. To respond to that question, we'll then go over your homework, which for today was the interview activity. ¿Qué te gusta and qué no te gusta hacer en tu tiempo libre? You guys interviewed 4 friends and or family members. You asked them both of those questions. ¿Qué te gusta? ¿Qué no te gusta hacer en tu tiempo libre? You solicited 2 things that they like to do and 2 things that they don't like to do. And you could write down these responses, or you could do a video recording of their responses or an audio recording and then submit that into Canvas. If you were to write it out, you could use exercise 12, textbook page 33. The chart there could be a model for you to follow. So that's the first thing we'll do is go over the homework. The rest of class will be going over El Día de los Muertos, which is coming up this upcoming week, starting this weekend. So I have a PowerPoint to share with you that introduces to you this tradition, this custom. You do have comprehension questions that correspond with the PowerPoint that you are to answer and submit using the PowerPoint to inform your responses. So you can copy these questions into a Word document and submit them. You can copy these questions and answer them in a Google Doc, or you can just jot down your answers handwritten in your notebook, take a picture of that, and submit that here in Canvas. And that is due on Monday, but hopefully you get it in much earlier than that. And then the last thing we'll talk about is your Dia de los Muertos assignment. Your assignment is to select a member of your family who is no longer with us physically, and to celebrate their spirit by creating a memorial. If you don't want to choose a close family member, you would prefer someone that is a bit more distant from you, not as close, you're welcome to choose whoever you like. If it's a mentor or a famous person or a pet or a family friend, you can choose anybody you would like to celebrate. The memorial itself can be done in a shoebox, and I suggest that just because it's easy to transport, but since you're at home, you can do it anywhere you'd like, in your bedroom, on your desk, anywhere else throughout the home, outside, wherever comfortable for you and your family. And involve your family in this assignment. I think that'd be great if you guys did that. So anywhere you would like. Doesn't need to be a shoebox. And then you're going to decorate your memorial with 5 ofrendas, which are offerings. Any variety of ofrendas, you need to do 5 at the very least to decorate. And you can see those examples here in bullet point. And for each of your 5 offerings, create or draft a 5-sentence description in either language. English is fine. Explaining why you chose that item. What's the story behind that item? How does that item remind you, of the person that you chose? It should invoke some sort of memory or story. And you can see the examples I have here. I chose my Uncle Mike. And here is the written up portion of my memorial to him. So you can use that as an example to guide you. Assignment is due on Monday, November 2nd, so it gives you guys almost a full week to think about who you would like to do, bring together your ofrendas, write up or type up your guys' written descriptions, and then submit those into Canvas. So 2 things you'll have to submit. A picture of your memorial, right? Just take a picture of your memorial, or you could do a video if you prefer, and then introduce to us the 5 ofrendas, right? And the descriptions for each of those. So those two things, your memorial, some sort of image, and then the written component. Of course, if you want to do a video and read what you've written, or summarize what you've, explain each of the items, then that's fine too, whichever you prefer. Written or video format is totally fine. Okay, and that's for Monday, next Monday, November 2nd. All right, guys, that is our agenda for today. Martes, el 27 de octubre. Y nos vemos en la clase, muchachos. Adiós.